New to the Geonexus integration platform, the Infor EAM connector is an off-the-shelf, no-code addition to the existing library of connectors that contain built-in business logic, enabling organizational citizen integrators to quickly connect and integrate your enterprise. The Geonexus Infor EAM connector leverages out-of-the-box web services as a framework for integrating both to and from the application. In contrast to tightly coupled solutions on the market, customers can now incorporate their Infor EAM application into the loosely coupled Geonexus middleware landscape, decreasing technical debt and enabling valuable asset and work data in the enterprise. Configuration within the Infor EAM connector's UI supports ease of connection, filterable by tenant for cloud-hosted environments, freedom to create data sources by filtering through Infor EAM organization to access all Infor EAM functions including assets, locations, systems, positions, and more. Also supported is filtering by Infor EAM application data spies and all out-of-box Geonexus translation functionality, including calculated values. To discuss how the Infor EAM connector within the Geonexus integration platform can enable smart integration and the citizen integrators within your organization, contact us today.